Hey guys, it's Barrett here doing another video today. Today I just wanted to show you guys my new Mbrp catback exhaust I got from my 2003 Chevy Silverado. It is a 1500 with the 5.3, and I just wanted to wake it up a little bit. So we got the Mbrp catback put in there. I think they claim it adds like 10 to 15 horsepower, so nothing crazy, but on the top end I do notice a little quicker throttle response. I think it was around $500 or $600, and then I plan to end up pairing this exhaust with like some long tube headers and maybe a cam in the future, so it'll definitely get a lot louder. But yeah guys, that's going to be it for my video on the catback Mbrp exhaust for a 2003 to 2007 Silverado. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, comment your thoughts on it down below, and make sure to subscribe.